Good morning, children. Today we are going to see our sixth lesson in our moral science subject, that is our environment. What is environment, children? It is the surroundings. Environment is a surroundings in which a person, animal, or a plant lives. It is called environment. So we are going to see the lesson our environment. What is environment? It is a surroundings in which a person, animal, or a plant lives. And if we destroy the environment, if we spoil our surrounding, we won't have a society at all, which means we should preserve our environment. We should save our surroundings. So here we are going to see about the water. It is the essence of life. So we all know water is the essence of life, which means the basic need of our life. Okay, children. We all are sharing our world. Yes or no? It is not belong to one person. So we all are sharing our world. So the world we all share is given to us in trust. The world is given to us in trust, in a belief that we should preserve it for all the generations to come. We should save the world for all the generations come hereafter. And every choice or else the every decision we make regarding the earth, every decisions we make regarding our earth, air and water around us should be made for preserving the earth. The decision should be made to save our earth. And here is a boy, Dinesh. His name is Dinesh. He was busy making soil beds in the garden. He was working in his garden and he was making a soil beds, and he wanted a plant. He wanted to plant some seeds which will give a flowers. That is a flowering plants. He wanted to plant some seeds which will give a flower. And you can see in the picture in page number 28, children, a bucket was overflowing as the tap had not been closed. Can you see, children? The bucket was overflowing as the tap had not been closed. The tap is not closed properly. Then Pushpa, his mother, Dinesh's mother, she walked to the tap and closed the tap. Then she told to her son not to waste water, and we should not waste the water. She told to her son that we should not waste the water, and water is the most precious thing on the earth. She told to Dinesh, Pushpa, she told to Dinesh that we should not waste the water and it is the most precious thing on the earth. We should save the water. And she also told her son about the importance of saving water and how to save water. With that, she also told to her son that the importance of the water and why should we save the water and how to save the water. Here, the importance of water. We all know that it is a basic need of our life. Water is important for all forms of life. All forms of life, which means not only to humans, plants, animals, bacteria, like that. These are considered as the forms of life. So, water is important for all the forms of life, and we can live without food for weeks or even a month. But we cannot live without a water even for few days. So we have seen water is very important in our life. It is a basic need of life. So, water is very important for all living things, and also it supports every existence of life, every living things in life. Here they have given the importance of the water. That is, water is an active part of our body. It helps to be active. It helps to make our body very active, and it helps in digestion of food. It helps in the digestion of food, and it helps in carrying nutritions to the different parts of our body. So water helps to carry the nutritions to the different parts of our body. Then it helps in removing waste from our body, and finally it cushions, which means it supports and protects the organs of the body. So water is an active part of our body. It helps in digestion of food, and it helps in carrying nutritions to the different parts of our body, and it helps in removing waste from the body. Finally, it supports and protects the organs of the body. So in these ways, water helps us in our day-to-day life. And why we must save water? Why must we save the water? I hope you all have learned this in your science subject. So most of the water on the earth's surface of the earth is salt water. I hope you all knew that. Yes, children? Yes. So most of the water on the surface of the earth is the salt water, and it cannot be used by us. Those salt water cannot be used by us. And now we are in need of more and more water as the population on the earth is increasing. As the population is increasing, we are in need of more and more water. But water is available only in limited quantities. So what we need to do, children? We must save the water to avoid the scarcity of water. So it is our responsibility to save every drop of water. Yes, children? As the population is increasing in the earth, what we need to do? We need to save the water. We are in the need of more and more water. So we need to save the every drop of water to avoid the scarcity of water. And here some simple ways to save the water. They have given some simple methods, simple ways to save the water. Here we can save water by turn off the tap while brushing the teeth and soaping our hands. So by turn off the tap while brushing the teeth and soaping our hands. And take shower, which means take a shorter shower. Between 5 minutes or less is best. So by taking a shorter shower, we can save the water. And always close the tap when you see water is being wasted from open taps. So we should close the tap when we can see the water is being wasted from the open tap, and we can repair the leaking taps and toilets immediately. By doing this, we can save the water. I have told you already, children, we must save the every drop of water. We should not waste the water. So for that, what we have to do, we should turn off the tap while brushing teeth and soaping hands, and then we should take shorter shower, which means less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. And we should always close the tap when you see water is being wasted from the open tap. And finally, we should repair the leaking taps and toilets immediately. These are the steps, these are the simple ways we can follow to save the water. Okay, children, I hope hereafter you will not waste the water and please start to save the water. Thank you, children.